Hello everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today's video is going to be a product review. I've really been looking to switch up the products that I've been using. I kind of just want to try something new. As many of you may know who are natural, sometimes your hair gets used to certain things, so you've got to switch it up. I came across this line on Instagram, I believe, and I've tried Cream of Nature's products before. I have the, excuse me, the Argan line. I've tried that before, but I had never tried this one, nor was I really aware that they had this. So I started to do my research, to start to read around, and it's like, let me just give it a try. I'll start out by saying I love, love, love the price point. It is super, super, super duper affordable for about $5 each. It's great, and I immediately, that kind of made me hope that this would work. So definitely a good start for me when I can purchase something and it's at a good price. So I only got 3 products. The products that I got were the shampoo. It is the detangling and conditioning shampoo. I also got the detangling and conditioning conditioner. And then I got this as well. It's the Curl Repair Leave-In. Now, if you have tried this product and you're aware of the answer, please do let me know. So I saw when I was in the store that they had a leave-in, detangling leave-in conditioner that you spray on, but they also had this. Now, I was really coming to the store looking for the curling, I believe it's a curling custard or curling cream, just to do my twist outs. And at first when I grabbed it, I thought it was this, but when I read, it said it's a leave-in conditioning cream, which would make me believe that it's a leave-in conditioner. But nowhere here does it really allude to anything else, so I just used it for my twist out. I use this as my styling product, and as you can see here, it left my hair pretty defined. Like I said, I don't really know what the main purpose of this is, but I got great definition, and my hair feels very soft. I didn't really have much frizz, so I was happy with the results of that. Working our way backwards, we're gonna go into the detangling conditioning, goodness, this little setup here, detangling and conditioning conditioner, this guy. So off the bat, I could say about the entire line is it really does help to detangle and soften your hair. I put this on and I left it in for about 5 to 15 minutes, I don't really remember. But I was able to finger detangle my hair, which I haven't been able to do in a while. I did comb it out with the Demon brush, but just being able to do that offhand really lets me know that this product is true to its label, and it does help you really detangle your hair. So if you're having issues detangling your hair, or if you have a tighter curl pattern, I would definitely try this conditioner because it did help me. It did help me get through that pretty quickly. So the last product that I want to talk about is the shampoo. Now, I used to co-wash for a while. I think I co-washed for probably like 8 months straight. And I saw the benefits definitely of co-washing, and my hair definitely didn't feel as stripped as it did with shampoo. But I just realized that for me and my hair, I need something that's going to really get rid of buildup, and I didn't want to have to add in another step. So I started looking for conditioning shampoos. I've been using the Maui line, which has been phenomenal to my hair, and then when I came across this one, I was excited to try it because, again, it says detangling and conditioning shampoo. Because as many of you know, the shampoo is supposed to remove kind of the dirt, and it kind of takes away the oil, so it kind of leaves the hair a little unruly for that short time before you put in the conditioner. I did not have a problem. I was very, very surprised. It lathered well. I was able to comb it through with my fingers, and it just led me right into the next step. So I'm really excited about this line. It did make my wash time that much shorter, which is something I'm always looking for because I just wash day can be really long, and I really don't like to add additional steps, especially the steps of having to detangle my hair for however long it may take to get to the next thing. I am going to be trying that curling cream that I was talking about. I'll do a separate video on that. Also, what I'll say about this, and I'm kind of eager to try, I don't know if anyone has it, is when I was applying this, it really did define my hair from the jump. So I'm kind of curious to see how this would work with a wash and go. I think I would still need a little gel of some sort just to lock it in. But when I put it in and I just kind of combed it through my fingers, I could already see my curl pattern kind of like forming and the frizz going away. So I'm a little excited about this. We're probably gonna have fun and be friends. This is my hair. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and are eager to try maybe a new product. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried this line or any of their newer lines and what you think of them. See you next time.